just got done with the construction out here in Tunkhannock. So this is the first time I'm driving on the right side for a while now. This has been closed for what, like 3 months, I'd say. So it looks like they're finally almost done out here. This was really dangerous driving through here for a while. All the cars were coming at you like head on. So, painting lines, I guess that guy's doing. Yeah. These guys are crazy maniacs to work at night. Look at this. They made it wider or something. Interesting.